All right, guys, welcome back. My name is Billy Tate, and this is, I believe, day 9 of the 30 days in front of the camera challenge that I have set for myself. Sorry, I bumped the microphone there. And I just wanted to take a couple of moments and talk about failure. I think it's very pertinent, especially in this context. I think I've mentioned it before, but I'm going to say it again. I'm 54. I'll be 55 here in December. And I was just up on top of the mountain with Josh again up at Big Bear, and we were working on his new investment property and cabin right there near Bear Mountain. And I had all these plans to shoot a video up there today, but we got going around 5 o'clock this morning and have just been working nonstop. And I got called down for a meeting, for a counseling meeting here for some members of the church young man that I mentor, and had to come down a little bit early. So it's now about 7 p.m. here in Temecula, California, where we're at. And as I was riding down, and I was thinking about the conversation that I was going to have with this young man. He's a freshman in college, and I mentored him in videography and allowed him to get his hands on some equipment that he didn't have, and really poured into him and helped him follow his passion. Follow his dream of being a professional videographer. And he actually was at the University of Hawaii, and he did all of the social media marketing, and not marketing, but social media video content creation for their, I believe it's the football team. It might be for all athletics, but I know for sure he was doing football. And he's a fantastic videographer. I've been able to farm off other side projects onto him. I love to work with him when I get the chance. Matter of fact, I'm going to have him come and work with me on a video concept or two for this series. But I was thinking when I was coming down the mountain that he has so much life in front of him. When I think back of my career path, I'm on career number 6. I've been self-employed most of my life. I've taken jobs here and there. I did do some webmastering stuff and whatnot in the meantime, in between me developing new business ideas and doing that. But what I was thinking about was those failures are not what define me. I don't think of them as failures. Each one of those was an exercise to get better, to grow, to learn what not to do, learn what to look out for, learn how to build a business. And it builds my confidence each time I go through that rebuilding phase to be stronger for the next one. And guys, this right here, the reason I'm doing this is because I'm looking to transition to career number 7. So the failures of these past businesses, whether they're self-inflicted or circumstances of the business world, those are not the things that have defined me. It's getting back up, having the willingness, taking what I've learned from that path back behind me and marching forward. We're called to be strong as men, guys. And women as well. I mean, this applies to everybody. But I find my identity in Christ. So I know he has something bigger and better waiting for me on the other side. I just have to answer that call. And guys, that's one of the reasons why I'm doing this 30-day challenge, because I need to get comfortable explaining myself and getting my thoughts and my ideas out and be able to share the knowledge that I've had through 6 businesses and building this 7th with you, with that next generation, to be a mentor for those same people that have that drive. So I want to encourage you to, if you're doing this 30-day challenge, to continue to go. If you're building a business, continue to go. If you have just recently failed with a business, I implore you to take what you learned from that, get up and try again. Even if you have to take a job in the meantime before that next idea can come to fruit, do it. Do it with joy. Do it with the same drive that you would do doing it for yourself, and God will reveal that path to you. So that's what I wanted to bring to you today, guys. I just had a couple of moments to think about these things as I was coming down the mountain by myself. I had a 3-hour commute back. And I thought that would make a great segment for me to be able to talk on camera for 5 to 10 minutes for day number 9. And we're going to be back here for day number 10. We're 1/3 of the way through this, guys. And I'm getting better. I wouldn't say better, but I'm getting more confident in front of the camera. I'm able to formulate my ideas, and I'm just coming into my personality to bring that information for you. What are some of the things that you guys have done and failed at, or what your success for your business or for an idea that you had, and what do you do in those times when you feel like the world is against you and you don't want to get back up? What are the things that you do to keep motivated and keep going? For me, it's prayer, keeping godly men around me to keep me focused, people to build me up. My wife is huge in that. She is a platform. She is not a lid. She builds me up and gives me the courage and the strength to continue moving forward. That's something that's huge. Surround yourself with the right people, guys, and keep your eyes on the prize. Listen, I'm going to get out of here. I think Sam and I are going to go get some dinner, but I wanted to take a few minutes to make this video and bring something out for you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow in day 10, and have a fantastic day, and God bless. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.